Hello, my friends. Hey, everyone. Welcome to my channel, or better yet, your channel. Today, I'm going to talk to you about how many liters of oil a 1.6 liter Honda Civic needs. First of all, if you have a 1.6 liter Honda Civic from the years 1996 to 2000 with D16Y7, D16Y8, or D16Y5 engines, the oil capacity without changing the filter is 3.2 quarts, which is equivalent to 3.0 liters. And if we go back to the previous generation, the 1.6 liter Honda Civics from 1992 to 1995, equipped with the D16Z6 engine, have pretty much the same number, since they also require 3.2 quarts, or rather 3.0 liters, without changing the filter. Moving on to the older models, that is, going further back, the 1.6 liter Honda Civics from 1988 to 1991 with the D16A6 engine also used 3.2 quarts, which, as we mentioned earlier, is equivalent to 3.0 liters when the oil filter is not replaced. In other words, regardless of the generation of the 1.6 liter Honda Civic between 1988 and 2000, the oil capacity without changing the filter remains pretty much the same, 3.2 quarts or approximately 3.0 liters of oil.